today I'm going to make a little bowl. I had this piece of oak that I used to make some little Christmas trees. And today I think I'm going to make a little bowl. I drilled a inch and a quarter, Forrest bit. It's got 3 limbs coming out of it. It was probably a piece of crotch wood out of oak. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together. I've got it ready for my chuck. Get it put in the chuck. Get it clamped down good and tight. Don't want anything coming off. There we go. I always like to tighten it from both sides. You never know. There we go. All right. Let's get started. Sanding sealer on it. Well, to get it turned around and get it all hooked up better, so I got the center. I'm going to use my tailstock to help me center it on the chuck. banding sealer and a little wax. It's not a perfect bow, but you got to understand it was a piece that I cut off of something else. Kicked it around the floor here for a day or two. My grandchildren played with it a couple of days, trying to hammer with it. So really and truthfully, it's just something to do today. More than anything. Maybe somebody will like it. For a coat of polish, I think I'm going to call this done. Not because it's, not because it looks great, but more because I don't think I can do much more damage to it. Make it look any worse. And all the damage I can do, kind of looks like an oyster, doesn't it? Or an oyster shell. I like the color. Really come out interesting grain. Kind of swirls. Anyway, I'll take a couple of pictures, post it at the end.